Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can upload videos to your Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Facebook account. So once you log in into your Facebook account, you simply need to select your page and you need to switch to your Facebook page by clicking here. As you can see that I am on my Facebook page. Then you simply need to scroll down and here you can see photos and videos. Click on that and here you can see an option of add photo slash video. Click here and let me add our random video. So let me add this video. So here you can see that, and here you can see you can add video options. So let me select this one. So here you can add the video title, text, caption, thumbnail, different options that you have, and then you need to click on save, and after that you click on post. So this is the process by which you can upload videos to your Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.